Okay, after a minor repair, we are back in action. Go ahead, Connor. Fix your trim. Good. Now we're just practicing liftoff and set downs at this point. And hovering. We're not really moving too much yet because it's a little sensitive, but it actually is kind of cool when you get it moving. So we'll send another video when we learn how to fly it around the room. Right now we're just working on takeoffs and landing. Right, Connor?
Yep.
Anything you want to say to Grandpa Mac?
Hi, Grandpa Mac. Thanks for the present.
You like it? Nice, safe landing. Good job. Nice landing. All right, now what do you want to say to Grandpa Mac?
This present was great. And once I learn how to fly it, we'll send you another video. And it'll be much better. It'll be probably crash-free. And probably there'll be no crashes and all. And probably we'll have its wheel fixed because it broke off.
Yeah, but that's an easy one to fix, huh?
Yeah.
Caitlin, you want to say anything to Grandma and Grandpa Mac? No?
No.
Okay.
Wait, no liftoff.
All right, another liftoff, and then we'll turn off the video.
One liftoff and landing. Got it?
Oh!
Oh.
That was not a crash-free takeoff, Connor.
No.
Okay, do a good crash-free one so Grandpa can see your SMAD helicopter skills. Oh, so close to the ceiling.
It broke.
All right, so,
It
it broke?
No, blue.
Oh, it blew. You blew it out. I got you. It's not broken. All right, we're going to go send this to Grandpa. Bye.